Today I'm gonna show you how to compute your grades using Microsoft Excel. Since we don't have OpenOffice Calc, we're gonna use Microsoft 2010 version. To look for Microsoft Excel, click Start, then All Programs. You'll see Microsoft Office. Then click Microsoft Excel 2010. I have here my prepared worksheet for computing your grades using Microsoft Excel. These are also the following formulas to get the final grade for each attendance, recitation, quiz, and so on. For example, Mr. Alonso got 85 for week 1 of attendance, 82 for week 2, 98 for week 3, 85 for week 4, then 78 for week 5. In getting the formula or the final grade for attendance, which is 10%, the formula is sum equals sum, open parenthesis, C8 plus D8 plus E8 plus F8 plus G8, close parenthesis, then divide to 5 and multiply by 0.1, thus 10%. The grade for attendance of Mr. Alonso is 8.56%. For recitation 1, Mr. Alonso got 85, 98, and 87 for 3-week recitation. In getting the 30% of recitation, the formula is equals sum, open parenthesis, I8 plus J8 plus K8, close parenthesis, divide to 3, then multiply by 0.3. Then you'll get 27% of recitation of Mr. Alonso. For quiz number 1, Mr. Alonso got 99, quiz number 2, 85, quiz number 3 is 65. For getting the result for quiz, 40%, the formula is equal sum, close parenthesis, M8 plus N8 plus O8, close parenthesis, divide to 3, multiplied by 0.4. The grade for quiz of Mr. Alonso is 33.2%. For project, example, Mr. Alonso got 98 for the project. The equivalent for percentage of project is 20%. The grade is 19.6. The computation or the formula used is equal sum Q8 multiplied by 0.2, close parenthesis. The grade is 19.6 as project. The class standing is 86. Class standing is the sum of grade for attendance, recitation, quiz, and project. The formula is equal sum, open parenthesis, M8 plus L8 plus P8 plus R8, close parenthesis. The class standing of Mr. Alonso is 88. For example, the exam of Mr. Alonso got 99. The exam is 99. Then the grade for prelim of Mr. Alonso is 94. The formula for getting the total grade for terms or for prelim is equals, open parenthesis, S8 plus T8, close parenthesis, divide to 2. Then you'll get the grade of 94 for prelim grade G of Mr. Alonso. For sheet 2, the midterm, you're just going to repeat the following formulas here on my notepad. Attendance 10%, recitation 30, quiz 40, project 20, the CLS stand, then total grade for terms. These are the following formulas in getting the grade for the performance of Mr. Alonso. Mr. Alonso got 98 for week 1 of attendance, 88 for week 2, 85 for week 3, 85 for week 4, then 96 for week 5. The grade of Mr. Alonso for attendance is 9.04. The formula is given on the formula bar you can see on my cursor. For recitation, Mr. Alonso got 98 for recitation 1, 88 for recitation 2, then 85 for recitation 3. For getting the recitation, the equivalent is 27.1 out of 30% for recitation. The formula is on my notepad, you see, and could be seen also in the formula bar where my cursor points. For quiz, Mr. Alonso got a quiz for quiz 1 is 85. No. Quiz 2 is 90. Quiz 3 is 65. For getting the quiz, which is 40%, Mr. Alonso got 32%. For formula, it could be seen on my cursor from the formula bar of our Microsoft Excel. For project, Mr. Alonso got 90 for his project. Then the project is equivalent to 20%. Mr. Alonso got 18% out of 20. The formula for getting this, it could be seen on the formula bar. Equals sum, open parenthesis, Q8 close, multiplied by 0.2. The CLS stand, again, is 86. For getting the CLS stand with the class standing of Mr. Alonso, this is a sum grade of attendance, recitation, quiz, then project. The formula for class standing could be seen on formula bar where my cursor points. For exam, Mr. Alonso got an exam grade of 98. Then we're going to add this exam through all his or Mr. Alonso's performance in class. The total grade of Mr. Alonso for midterm grade sheet is 92.7. Again, for getting the grade of each terms, you see on my notepad equals open parenthesis S8 plus T8, then close parenthesis, divide into 2. For final grading, same procedure will be performed using this formula on my notepad. You just have to input data or values on the cell or the active cell where you point the cursor. Then to perform or to get the grades you have to use these formulas on my notepad. Attendance 10%, recitation 30, quiz 40, project 20, class standing, sum of grade, attendance, recitation, quiz, then project. Total grade for terms, there is the formula. And that is how we get that is how we use the Microsoft Excel for computing our grades. I'm Jover from AB2MA, Asian Institute of Computer Studies, Commonwealth. Thank you for watching.